Good morning, learners. Welcome back to your GK class. In today's class, we will solve some riddles. So, here you have to use your brain for finding the answers of given riddles. One or two I will tell you, rest you have to guess and you have to find the correct answer. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So, three pictures are there, and the riddle is what has a face and hands but no arms or leg? So, which among these three has face and hands but do not have arms or legs? So, clock is there, cat is there, and books. So, as far as I can guess it, so it's clock, because clock has a face, like it is round in shape and is looks like it face, and it has hand, means the needles which are in a clock we can consider as hands. So, but it doesn't have arms or legs. The cat have all the things, and books doesn't have any face or hands. Okay, so the right answer of this riddle is the clock. Next is what has a neck but no head? So I can, this one you can easily guess it. The bottle is the correct answer because it has neck but it doesn't have head. Okay, so remaining, what gets wetter as it get dries? So this one you will attempt yourself. Next one also, one more I can tell you. Okay, the sixth one, this is the easiest one, but I will tell the answer of this one only. What can be used only after it has been broken? So a cup is there, glasses are there, and eggs. So I think you all can guess it, and I am also telling the right answer. Egg is the right answer because we can use egg only after when we broke it. Okay, so three answer I have told you. Remaining three you have to guess it yourself. Okay, now let's come to the next page, in which we have a mixed bag. Here we have some questions, so you have to give the answer in true and false only. First is, Africa has a larger population than China. So in this page we have a mixed bag, in which we have some GK questions, okay, based on different fields. So the first question is, Africa has a larger population than China. I hope you all knows the answer of this question. Okay, so this one you will attempt yourself. Second is, polar bears lives in Antarctica. So this one is false because polar bears lives in Arctic region, and in Antarctica is penguins lives in Antarctica. Okay, so this one is false. Third is, the biggest desert of Australia is called the Great Sandy Desert. So let me tell you that the biggest desert in Australia is called the Great Victoria Desert. Okay, so this one is also false because it's not Great Sandy Desert. Okay, next is, the water of Black Sea is actually black in color. So this answer is this statement is false because the black is not really black in color, because of the environment around that sea looks like black, but it doesn't black in color. It is not black in color. Okay, next is, Canada is bigger than USA in area. So yes, Canada is bigger than USA if we see according to area. Okay, next is, the coastal desert in the coastal desert in Namibia is called the Namib. This one is also true. This is the name of the desert which is in Namibia. This one is true. Seventh is, the most populous European country is France. So remaining from the 7th, 8th and till 12, you will try to attempt yourself. You will try to find the answers of these questions yourself. Okay, one or two I can tell you that okay, the last one I can tell you, the corals which are found in sea are actually animals. So yes, this one is true because the animals found in the sea are corals. Okay, now let's have a look at this know to grow. part. Okay, I am is the shortest complete sentence in the English language. So you all knows that whenever we write any sentence in English, so the shortest sentence which we can make is I am. Okay, this is the shortest sentence that we have in English. No word in the English language rhymes with the word month. Okay, so it's about rhyming words, because we can make a different rhyming words with another word. We can find different rhyming words for particular, but month is the word for which we have no rhyming word in English. And if you found, so please let me know. And third is the English. In English language, the names of all the continents ends with the same letter that they start with. Okay, this is amazing fact that actually I came to know today, that in English the name of the continents, it end with the same letter that they start with, means the starting word and the ending word is same in the name of continent. Okay, so you can take it as your job to search that this statement is true or wrong. Okay, it's true or false. Okay, actually it is true, but you can check it. You can find the name of all the continents and you can check the spellings as they are starting with and ending with the same letter. Okay, so complete the remaining questions of both the pages. See you in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.